Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. So as part of this main topic, Spark context and Spark configuration, we will see details about what is Spark conf, what is Spark context, application parameters, configurations, and also we will see WordCon program, and we will actually see how we can develop the WordCon program the way we do as part of the project, rather than just developing the WordCon program. We will try to see the uh, 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 how the Spark context, and also externalizing the parameters can be used as part of this improvised version of WordCon program. So far, as part of the earlier topic, you might have seen developing simple Spark based applications, such as this one, where you only uh, see how we can quickly copy paste and validate whether the application can be submitted or not, both by Scala IDE for Eclipse, and also by building the jar file and running it on the external big data clusters. We have seen both. And then I have added few videos to the same topic, like developing the WordCon program. Here I have just covered a simple WordCon program, and I have used functions like flat map, map, reduce by key, etc. And then I have shown you how to develop using a terminal also, or how to develop using a Spark command line interface using Spark shell command. Now we will see how we can do it using Scala IDE as well. So as part of this topic, um, which is Spark context and Spark configuration, we not only will see Spark conf, Spark context, and also externalizing the parameters. While doing that, we will see how WordCon program can be actually implemented using Scala IDE for Eclipse. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content. Please provide the feedback or rating, whatever is applicable. If you have any concerns giving full rating, please let me know. I will try to come up with the justification or the solution. If you are happy with that, you can give the full rating. Otherwise, you can give the rating which you think I deserve. That being said, thank you. Bye.